Hey, so you've built your card site and now you want a custom domain to make it look professional? I'll show you step by step how to connect your domain to Card, whether it's from Namecheap, GoDaddy, or any other provider. First, make sure you're on Card Pro because custom domains are only available on Pro plans. Log in and check your subscription, open your Card site, and click Publish. In the Publish menu, select Custom Domain. This is where you'll enter the domain you own. Now log into your domain provider like Namecheap or GoDaddy. Find the DNS settings for your domain. This is where you'll add records to connect it to Card. Add a CNAME record pointing to card.co. For example, if your domain is www.mysite.com, set the host as www and point it to card.co. TTL can stay default. If you want your root domain without www to also work, add a URL redirect record from @ to www.mysite.com. Go back to Card, enter your domain, and click Check. If everything is correct, it will verify, and you can publish your site with the custom domain. Wait a few minutes for DNS changes to propagate, then visit your domain in a browser. Your Card site should load with your custom domain, and that's it. Your Card website now has a professional custom domain. This makes your site more trustworthy, easier to remember, and ready for business.